The Heybike Electric Bike for Adults Ranger 2.0 stands out in the crowded market of electric bicycles, particularly for those seeking a robust and versatile ride. With its impressive 1400W peak motor and a host of thoughtful features, the Ranger 2.0 promises to deliver a remarkable experience for both casual riders and serious commuters alike. Design and build quality. The first thing you notice about the Ranger 2.0 is its striking design. The bike exudes a rugged yet modern aesthetic, making it appealing to a wide range of users. The frame is constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, ensuring it is both lightweight and durable. Weighing in at approximately 70 pounds, it strikes a good balance between sturdiness and manageability. The bike is equipped with a step-through design, which makes mounting and dismounting effortless, particularly for those who may have mobility issues. The Ranger 2.0 features a front suspension fork that effectively absorbs bumps and shocks, providing a comfortable ride on varied terrains. The wide 26-inch puncture-resistant tires add to the bike's stability and grip, making it suitable for both city streets and off-road trails. Additionally, the bike is available in several color options, allowing users to choose one that best fits their style. Performance. Equipped with a powerful 1400W peak motor, the Ranger 2.0 delivers impressive acceleration and speed. Riders can expect a maximum speed of around 28 miles per hour, which is more than adequate for navigating through urban environments or taking on challenging hills. The motor offers 3 levels of pedal assist, allowing users to select how much assistance they need based on their riding preferences. The throttle feature is a fantastic addition, enabling riders to zip around without having to pedal at all, which is especially handy when you're feeling tired or need a quick boost. One of the standout features of this bike is its 48V20Ah removable battery, which provides a generous range of up to 40 miles on a single charge. This makes it a reliable option for daily commuters or those who wish to explore longer distances without the anxiety of running out of power. The battery can be charged in just 5 to 6 hours, making it convenient to plug it in overnight or while at work. Comfort and ergonomics. The comfort of the Ranger 2.0 is noteworthy. It comes with an adjustable seat that can accommodate various heights, ensuring that riders can find their ideal position. The ergonomic handlebar design adds to the overall comfort, reducing strain on the wrists during long rides. The inclusion of front and rear fenders protects against splashes and mud, making it an all-weather bike that can handle light rain or puddles without worry. Safety features. Safety is a critical factor when evaluating any bike, and the Ranger 2.0 does not disappoint. It is equipped with a dual braking system that includes both front and rear disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power in various conditions. Additionally, bright LED headlights and a rear reflector ensure visibility during nighttime rides, enhancing safety for the rider. Smart technology. In today's tech-driven world, the Ranger 2.0 integrates some impressive smart features. The bike comes with a built-in LCD display that provides essential information such as speed, battery level, distance traveled, and more. This information is crucial for riders who want to monitor their performance and plan their rides accordingly. Final thoughts. In conclusion, the Heybike Electric Bike for Adults Ranger 2.0 is a formidable entry in the electric bike market, combining robust performance, comfort, and safety in a stylish package. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or looking for a fun day out on the trails, this bike checks all the right boxes. While its weight may be a consideration for some, it's a small trade-off for the stability and build quality you receive in return. The impressive range and speed capabilities make it a fantastic option for those who may be hesitant to switch from a traditional bicycle to an electric.